Beautiful.
Hey ate, kunwari, I'm your teacher, okay? Okay.
Nice.
Okay. Class, you.
What?
Can you stand?
Yes.
Okay, stand up. Okay. What is your name?
Despina esta.
Oh, Sabrina Evangelista.
Yes.
Ay, okay, okay. How old are you?
3.
Oh, you are 3 years old. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Ano yung paborito mong pagkain?
Dobo.
Adobo.
Yes.
Tapos, ano pa?
Lechon baboy.
Lechon baboy. Wow, yummy. Tapos ano pa?
Niyan.
Ano pa?
Inuman.
Hindi. Hindi, ano pang paborito mo? Pera sa lechon baboy, ano pa? Ano pang gusto mong pagkain?
Lechon.
Okay. Sa ano naman, what is your favorite drink?
The orange.
Orange. And then,
Huh? Kulay.
ano pa? No. I mean, ano yung paborito mong inumin?
Color.
Not color. O ano yung paborito mong iinumin?
Hindi ko alam naman.
Anong paborito mong inumin? Sabrina, I said stand up and then
Sabrina.
wag kang malikot, okay? Ano yung paborito mong inumin? 'Di ba sabi mo yung paborito mong pagkain is baboy, lechon baboy, adobo. Yung inumin mo naman, anong paborito mong inumin?
Sabrina.
No, what is your favorite drink? What is your favorite drink?
Color.
No, favorite drink, iniinom. Inumin.
Ganito.
Ano nga 'yon?
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. Ayun. Ayun. And besides sa Coca-Cola, ano pa?
This is black Coca-Cola.
Oh. Oh. And what is your favorite color?
Orange.
Orange. Okay. Sabrina, can you stand up?
What?
I mean, can you straight your body? Know how to sing ABC?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, go, start.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Nice.
Q, R, S, T, U, R, B, W, X, Y, and D. No Y, A, B, C, total, only D, and D.
Wow, very good. Okay. Alam mo mag-count ng numbers.
Yes.
Okay, can I see? Can you see? Okay. No? You start from 1. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6,
5.
5,
Sa kabila.
8,
6.
6, 7, 8, 9, 11.
10. Yan, very good. Okay, that's all, Sabrina. And you now sit down. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Beautiful.